Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about if fx equal to log 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Then we need to show that fx plus fy equal to fx plus y divided by 1 plus xy. So at here first I am going to write given is fx equal to log 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Now if I put f of y, so in place of x we need to write 1 minus y, 1 plus y. The same thing here, fx and fy that I found. Now next I'm going to calculate fx plus y divided by 1xy. So at here we need to write log 1 and in place of x we need to put x plus y divided by 1 plus xy. So here we need to write x plus y divided by 1 x plus y, 1 plus the same thing we need to write x plus y divided by 1 x plus y. Hereafter we need to take the LCM. So here 1 x plus y is the LCM. Now 1 plus x plus y, 1 plus xy LCM, 1 plus 1 divided by x, 1 plus xy, then it comes 1 plus xy and it will multiply with 1. So here it will come 1 plus xy. Now 1 plus xy, 1 plus xy divide, it come 1 multiply with this, so it come x plus y. Now going to calculate the same thing, 1 x plus y LCM, it come 1 x plus y, 1 divide with 1 plus xy, 1 plus xy come, it will multiply with this one, so here it come 1 plus xy. Now 1 plus xy, 1 plus xy that divide, it come 1 multiply with this all, so it come x plus y. Now hereafter write log again, we can write 1 plus xy, this one minus x, minus going to multiply with this all. Now 1 plus xy, the same thing 1 plus xy and it is x plus y and it come 1 plus xy. Now this is the form of p by q x by y. So if things like this, so it come p into q, y that go up, here x. The same thing we can write, so here log 1 plus xy minus x minus y, 1 plus xy, so 1 plus xy that multiply up, and here 1 plus xy plus x plus y. So this going to cancel. Now here value come 1 plus xy minus x minus y, and here 1 plus xy plus x plus y. So this is the value of this one, 1 f x plus y divided by 1 plus xy, f x plus y divided by 1 plus xy. Now here fx value that fx plus fy value that I'm going to calculate. So fx value is now, so here we need this one that I calculated, fx plus fy going to calculate. So here log 1 plus xy going to calculate, log fx value that is 1 minus xy, I think. Okay, 1 minus xy, 1 minus x and 1 plus y. this one. Now this is the plus, same thing, log 1 minus y 1 plus y. Now you already know there is one formula, log a plus log b equal to log a into b. So we can write log 1 minus x 1 plus y 1 minus y 1 plus y. So I'm going to calculate this all. So here log, so 1 multiplied with this all, so it come 1 minus y minus x multiplied with this all, so it come this one. Same thing, 1 multiplied with this all, so it come 1 plus y multiplied with this all, sorry, here this is the x, 1 minus x 1 plus x multiplied with this all, it come xy. Now hereafter we can write log 1 plus xy minus x minus y 1 plus xy plus x plus y, value of fx plus fy that I calculated. So here fx plus y divided by 1 plus xy, it also come 1x plus y minus x minus y 1 plus xy, this also come. So here we can write fx plus fy equal to 1 f x plus y divided by x into y, x plus y divided by 1 plus into xy equal to log 1 plus xy minus y 1 plus xy plus x plus y. So LHS equal to RHS proved. So this is the way we can prove to this kind of questions. So first we need to calculate this one. Fx value already given, Fy that I put, now Fx plus y 1 plus xy that I calculated. Next we need to add this 2's. This 2 we need to add. It's come the same value with fx plus y 1 divided by 1 plus xy. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.